Are you an energy worker and want to work on your energy sensitivity? Then this video may help you. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kaule. I'm a nature and animal communicator and I speak to plants, animals and other species and have two-way conversations with them. As someone who is constantly working and interacting with all elements of nature, energy sensitivity becomes a key to the field of my work. Now, it's not just restricted to animal communication, but it expands to every other field wherever energy is involved. So, you may be a healer, you may be a communicator, or you may be a tarot card reader. Understanding energies becomes the key to our work. Hence, there are a few activities that can help us really become sensitive to these energies. However, the first thing we need to do is to be aware of our own energy. So, this is one excellent exercise that I use regularly to create and make sure that I have higher awareness about my own energy. It's a rather simple activity. I would urge all of you to engage in it and also share your experiences in the comment section below. Begin by sitting in a quiet place and ensure that it is at a time during the day when you think you won't be disturbed. Once you have found such a quiet spot for yourself, start with deep breathing for a couple of seconds or a few minutes, whatever you feel comfortable with. As you sense yourself feeling calm and relaxed, start focusing on the top of your head and slowly scanning your energy and your body right till your toes. Ensure that each time you're scanning your energy and you're making sure that you're focusing on each part of your body, make mental notes of what sensations you're feeling, maybe things that you can hear in your mind, the thoughts that come to your mind, the smells that come to your mind, the visuals that may come to your mind, as well as what you feel energetically, physically with the activity that you're doing and the place that you're focused on. Ensure that you make mental notes of it and do this activity for as long as you can. Initially, don't worry about the time. Even if you're able to do it for a couple of minutes, it's more than enough. As you get well versed with it, you can also keep extending that time. Once you are done with this activity, ensure that you have a journal where you write down all your experiences so that you are aware of the energetic shifts that you have felt throughout the days that you have been engaging in this activity. If you want to do this, I would highly recommend you do it every day, at least for the next 21 days, and you will see a great shift of energy within yourself, as well as your awareness to the energies around you will increase greatly. It will also reflect in your communications and how well you connect with the other animals and non-animal elements of nature that you connect with, and even slight shifts of energy will come to your notice immediately. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you do engage in this activity, please do mention it in the comment section below and share your experiences so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye-bye.